What am I supposed to do? Oh, yeah. What's up?
There ain't no bait. Oh, no, they're over there. Oh, yeah. What are they trying to catch with this side of this lake? That's what I'm wondering. They're using the company? Viper, probably. Viper can eat that. They just, I don't know how big they get down here. Yeah. So we're gonna use that. We're gonna use this. Same thing that's in that.
What we putting y'all fish in?
Bait tank?
Alright, we already got water in it.
Yes, sir.
Alright, just gonna carry them out there for us.
Either one of them?
Alright.
I'll carry if you want to get on the boat.
Let me know when you're ready.
We ready. Oh, Lanny Irving.
But, oh, I know Laney. I watched Laney earlier. Yeah.
Good one, isn't it? Fish, get him. There we go. Now we need some more to get the jelly.
You said good one. I didn't know what.
I think it's no huge fish, but it'll break the ice.
Hey, John.
We ain't carrying right now. Eat them all.
Is that on the court?
Amen. That's a good one right there,
Is
Paul.
that on the court?
Yeah. From the free one.
Come on over here with me.
Go this way.
Yeah, just go in between them two. There you go.
You want to go under that one or over?
He's under the southern.
You got your net? You mean net him? You got him.
Let's see what we got, boys.
Hopefully it's a strap a nice spot.
He's over this one.
He took off, I know that. He didn't never peel no drag, though.
Come on, Susan.
He's all
This
right.
way.
That's a decent one.
Decent strap. Bring him to me.
Go that way. There you go. Got him.
I got him.
Fish in the
We need
boat.
to get that. Was the cork right here? Cork was right here. No, the cork's on this one. Huh? The cork was on this one. Oh.
That's all it takes. Is that one?
Broke the ice. Got the skunk. Look at the string. Got the skunk on. You know they'll hit bait. Okay, put the head to
You
that
put the
side.
head right there. And then squeeze the tail as hard as you can.
Well, it depends. I'm trying to get 21.
Yeah, it's 20. He's 24. No, he's
23.
23.
A little over 23.
23 and a half. You gotta count the half.
Yeah.
Yeah, fish on right here. All right, Jacob. Oh, Jacob.
You got it, Jacob. It might have. Oh, it's pulling.
Let him pull. Put your left hand up here.
I'm gonna get out of the way.
Yeah, just bring it on up here.
How you know it's been too long since I've been out here. I forgot how to do it.
He was up there foaming that spool, Paul.
Man, I haven't done
I don't know where he learned that from.
I do. I had that one on about 60.
Got 36 now.
He headed out, didn't he?
He did. He's still heading out.
Probably a good fish. Which one would you say got hit? This court?
No, it's gonna fall.
This free line over here.
Here, get that net.
That's a good day.
It's a good one.
Looks like a big hybrid, don't
Yeah, it does. I believe it is.
You need some more?
No, that's a strapper. Good one, man.
What is it?
Big old strapper.
Is that a hybrid or what?
No. Good, healthy strapper.
Hey,
Fish on, fish on right there. Click it in, click it in.
Pull it hard.
No, it's letting it out. Is it still on?
This guy, 24.
Going out a little bit.
Crank on and keep that rod bent. Keep reeling. You got 30-pound line on there.
Yeah, you ain't got to worry about it. Only way he'll do it.
You don't want to give them no slack because they'll come off.
Where's the net?
Well, if he pulls hard, then let him run. There you go. Now you got the feel of it. Look at the string, dude. That was on a...
Free line.
That was free line too?
20 foot. Yeah. We've had them to hit this.
This one's getting nervous.
He's pulling.
Here, let me tighten you up a little bit. Alright. Now you might get some on him.
He's either swimming with you or...
Oh, man. Hey, done it.
Might as well reel that one in, Paul.
Can't get him out
I
or
know.
just on top.
We're on them.
Here, go ahead and take that one.
Come on over here. Here you go, Paul. Come on over there with him. Go on over there.
You take this one out.
Good one.
Man,
Good fish. Hold it. Don't let that line hit the boat. There you go. Pick up on him. There you go.
bring it to him. Just bring it to him.
Nice and easy. Got him. Fish in the boat.
That's 3.
I hear you, dude. There you
Hey,
go.
these all been 21 Murray keepers.
That's the biggest one of the day right there.
So far.
They all been Murray keepers so far.
Or not. It felt bigger than my other
That's
one.
all right.
Probably 5.
He'll go in that box. You gotta take some of them too.
You went
I
and
don't know
grab
whose
it.
turn it was, but
No,
Elijah wasn't taking no chances.
I turned and I could not see. I could not see the grab.
That was
yeah,
a hit
that's
there,
something,
man.
Yeah, it was.
I was completely
You wouldn't have really been like, unless he's running too.
He's 130 something feet away.
I'm gonna guess it's if you can take the
5
back over
pound
the top of this rod here.
There you go.
Yeah.
28 inch.
That's a good run there.
It's 28.
Yeah.
I looked and I seen the rod, man. It just took him a minute to tighten it up.
There we go.
Let me see, check you grab. Come on.
You see Except right there,
There
I
we
look directly in the sun.
Feels better now. Whoa. He's swimming towards me.
Yeah.
Now he's swimming away.
Go back over. Go back over. There you go.
You just get in front, you're next. In front. Put your feet
I
down.
promise you that one's over 21 the way he pulled out.
Gotta be. Might be a big catfish or something.
Well, the closer you get, the easier you want to be with him. Because he's going to make that surge.
Man, that glare is bad.
Yeah, it's terrible right there.
I know. Trying not to look.
Nah, I got sunglasses in my car. No good in the car.
He's swimming towards me.
No.
Alright.
Good one. Nice and easy.
Keep reeling.
Real.
Yeah.
There you go. Almost.
Bring him to me. Bring
Pull
him
him.
a little.
All right. No,
Got him.
7.5 still.
Ooh, that hurt my arm.
Oh yeah, that is a good one.
Oh yeah.
That might be the biggest one of the day right there.
Well, hey, I'm in the
Do
channel.
you need to tighten that drag?
No.
Nah, it's good. It's not pulling out.
What you got, Ted?
It's a fish.
Crank him. Crank him. He's swimming upstream.
I don't think
Yeah,
we gotta
he's coming
change
up.
this rig.
Keep her cranking.
I think you're good.
Keep her cranking. He come on around with him. You good. You got the net, man? Crank him.
You got it?
We'll go as far. We'll go to the front of the boat if he wants
Hey,
to.
we've had them take us all the way around the boat
It's
before.
good when he's swimming with me.
Yeah, that's good if they come up here.
I'm gonna guess.
I don't think he knows he's hooked
Two.
yet.
He might not.
Hold it tight.
The fish might take off on you, so be ready.
Yeah. Oh, it's pulling.
Sometimes when they swim with you like that, they don't realize they're hooked until they get a little closer. They start seeing that boat and they go, nah, he ain't something.
Still at
Pull
15
drag.
feet.
I think he knows he's hooked.
Yeah, he's pulling.
That needs to be tightened up a little bit.
No,
He's pulling a little bit.
yeah, a little bit.
There's a bunch of fish under us now.
That's bait, yep. What you got there? Nice and easy, man.
good
Nice
one
and
there.
easy. It looks big.
He's staying
Don't
down.
let that run hit the boat.
Man,
Oh yeah, another good one.
Back it on up.
There you go. Just right backwards.
yeah, come on. Oh,
Hey, got him.
yeah, I got him now.
Fish in the boat.
They all been real good.
Wow. I'll guess.
I don't think
Oh,
we
it's
we haven't
29.
picked it up. He's still on there. What do you think it is?
I think it's a bass.